Faraday Future is foreshadowing forces that could thrust its stock price through $3. First, it announced that it will report its second quarter financial results for 2025 after market close on Monday, August 18, 2025, and will hold an earnings call at 5 p.m. Pacific Time that same day. The company will also announce a major strategy upgrade with its dual flywheel and dual bridge eco strategy on August 16th at Pebble Beach as part of the 2025 Monterey Car Week. This strategy is expected to create a fast growth system of two independent yet mutually empowering flywheels for increasing capital returns, improving cash flow, and speeding up the maximization of stockholder value. The announcement will be part of a series of activities that FF and the FX brand will host and participate in, centered around the famed 2025 Monterey Car Week, held at Pebble Beach between August 14th to 17th. The company will bring the FF91 2.0 and FX Super One vehicles to the event. Faraday Future has been building anticipation for the announcement through a 5-day countdown campaign, each day highlighting different components of its upcoming strategy announcement, including treasury, index, ecochemistry, flywheel effect, and the FF bridge strategy. The company's stock has shown remarkable momentum, with an 87.5% price return over the past 6 months. Faraday Future describes itself as a, quote, shared intelligent electric mobility ecosystem company founded in 2014, with a strategy that includes its flagship FF91 model and plans for mass-market FX vehicles at lower price points. Faraday Future also charged up excitement by recently securing approximately $105 million in new cash financing and has begun trial production of its FX Super One model at its California manufacturing facility. On top of that, 1,000 non-binding pre-orders were received for the FX Super One vehicles from Nature's Miracle Holding, Inc., valued at up to $100 million. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.